If you're looking to make extra money, buying stuff on OfferUp and then reselling it on eBay is a great way to do it. In this video, I found one of the most controversial board games of the 20th century, also one of the most valuable. OfferUp is a modern version of Craigslist, and there are good deals to be found. Some things I buy for myself, and some things I buy to flip on eBay. And a couple weeks ago, OfferUp alerted me about a new listing for a vintage game. Upon further review, he was selling two board games that I had never heard of called Blacks and Whites. These are highly controversial 50-year-old games made in 1970. They were only produced for a short time and in limited quantities. I pulled up comps on eBay and saw that this was a major find, especially because he was only asking $20 each. I immediately messaged him, and after a brief exchange, I was on my way to go pick him up. Nice. Yeah. Why are you selling them? You just don't want them anymore?
Oh, no more.
Oh, okay. All right. So 20 each?
Yeah, 20.
20? All right. All right, there's one.
It's a good price, no?
Yeah, that's a good price. Good. All right. Yeah, great. Thank you.
Okay.
All right. All right, have a good one. Wow, these are better condition than I thought. All right, when we get home, we're gonna look at these. That is an awesome score. Yeah, I think he was thinking I was gonna negotiate him down. He said that's a good price, right? I think usually people price things a little higher than they think they're worth, is what I've noticed in some of these OfferUp professionals. I think that's what he was doing there, thinking that I was gonna kind of lowball him on it, but no, I'm gonna give him his full 40 bucks for that because we'll do very well. I was tempted to give him even more. I know sometimes that's what American pickers do if somebody's got something that they're selling for a lot less. But when we get home, we'll check out what we got and we'll tally up the value of our pick. To avoid flooding the market, I listed one at a time. I actually put it as a buy it now or best offer, and I listed it very high at the top of the market. There were no others for sale that had the original shrink wrap, and so I thought I was gonna maybe get some offers lower, but within 8 hours, it actually sold full price for the first one. There are a lot of board games out there that are worth good money. I'm just gonna throw on the screen a pro tip. These are probably the top 5 board games that you could probably find a little more often than one like this that I always look for. This was a great sale, a great purchase, a great flip, and another example of how you just have to be quick. You can do the same strategy on Facebook Marketplace. You can do this strategy on Craigslist. You can do this strategy in Mercari. And of course, it's the same strategy that most of us flippers use at thrift stores and at garage sales and at estate sales. So anyway, it's just kind of a modern way of doing it. Hope you enjoyed this video. While you're thinking about it, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps the YouTube algorithm and helps promote my videos. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.